Hey there, Questers! Welcome back to Quest Publications 901, your go-to channel for mastering the world of credit. I'm Veronica, your host, and today we have a crucial topic to dive into: how to remove bankruptcy from your credit report. Bankruptcy can be a challenging hurdle, but don't worry, we've got a step-by-step guide to help you tackle it head-on. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on credit optimization. And hey, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies. Part 1. Understanding bankruptcy. First things first, let's understand what we're dealing with. Bankruptcy is a legal process that provides relief to individuals who can't pay their debts. Depending on the type, Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, the impact varies, but both can remain on your credit report for up to 10 years. Now, let's talk about the ways to potentially remove it before that time frame. Part 2. Step-by-step guide to removing bankruptcy from your credit report. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you attempt to remove bankruptcy from your credit report.
Step 1. Get your hands on your latest credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Expediting, and TransUnion. You can get a free copy of your credit report once a year from each bureau at annualcreditreport.com. Step 2. Verify accuracy. Next, meticulously review your credit reports for any errors or inaccuracies relating to your bankruptcy. Look for inconsistencies in personal information, amounts owed, dates of bankruptcy filing, and discharge. Step 3. Dispute inaccurate information. If you spot any inaccuracies, initiate a dispute. Each bureau has an online dispute process where you can report errors. Be concise and provide supporting documents to back your claim. Step 4. Send a formal dispute letter. In addition to the online disputes, send a formal dispute letter to each of the credit bureaus. Explain the inaccuracies and include copies of any proof you have. The bureaus have 30 days to investigate your claim. Step 5. Follow up. After filing your dispute, follow up. Keep track of your dispute status and ensure that the errors are being corrected. Be persistent. Sometimes it takes multiple attempts. Step 6. Seek legal help if needed. If you're hitting roadblocks, consider seeking legal advice. Sometimes having a consumer law attorney can strengthen your case, especially if there are blatant errors that the bureaus are not rectifying. Part 3. Next steps and proactive measures. Even if you successfully remove the bankruptcy, it's essential to adopt proactive measures to rebuild your credit and prevent future financial issues. Credit repair and building. 1. Pay your bills on time. The biggest factor in your credit score is your payment history. Set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid late payments. 2. Secure a secured credit card. These cards help rebuild credit by requiring a deposit that serves as your credit limit. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This shows lenders that you are responsible with your credit. 4. Avoid new hard inquiries. Multiple hard credit inquiries can lower your credit score. Be strategic about applying for new credit. Part 4. Call to action. And there you have it, folks. Removing bankruptcy from your credit report is surely a challenging process, but with patience and diligence, it's achievable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Quest Publications 901 for more awesome content. And remember, hit that notification bell to get the latest updates on credit optimization and financial tips. Stay tuned and stay informed. Until next time, Questers, take care and keep striving for financial freedom.